You as the teacher can also review, provide feedback, and mark students' work that they have completed in Class Notebook in Microsoft Teams. To do so, I make sure that I'm in the correct team. So I'm in my Social Studies 8D class team, and I'm in the general channel. I'm going to go ahead and click on Assignments this time. Once it loads, I'll click on the assignment that I wish to review, and I'll click on the Review button in the top right corner. Now I can see that the due date was today, Wednesday, April 18th, and I can see that one student has turned it in, and I have one to review. So underneath student work, next to the student's name, I'm going to click on the link to their work, and that will open a preview window here in the center. To the far right, notice that in this view, I can enter feedback to my student as well as assign a score by providing points just underneath that feedback box. You can also easily switch between students by clicking on the student drop-down here, just at the top of this right window. Let's take a moment and provide some feedback to this student. And we'll go ahead and give them a score. Now I'm going to close this window and I'm going to go back a step. I want you to notice that in this view of the review of the assignment, I can also click on the little feedback comment icon, and I can see that feedback that I entered, but I could also add feedback here. As well, I can adjust the point value or the score here underneath points. Once I've finished marking all of my students' assignments, I will click Post All to return their work, feedback, and marks to them. Now I can also export their marks to an Excel spreadsheet by clicking Export to Excel in the top right corner. And let's just load that Excel spreadsheet up so you can have a look. I can easily save this Excel spreadsheet into my grading records or even print it off for my grading records and use it to easily enter my marks into PowerTeacher Pro.